Friends and countrymen, my colleague and I are thrilled to be a part of the Build Zimbabwe Alliance, and along with the leadership team commit to point 9 of the 10-point plan to restore common sense public policy and sound financial management to our economy.
By ending the culture of leadership impunity and no longer rewarding non-performance. In a BZA government, non-performing ministers will not be reassigned to other ministerial duties or rewarded with diplomatic posts.
We also believe that not every problem in our country can be solved by a government program.
We therefore commit in point 10 of our 10-point plan to introduce a culture of service and connect all Zimbabweans with direct opportunities to make a difference in their own communities.
Leaders serving in a BZA government will be required to lead by example in organizing and participating in monthly local and national community service projects to build schools, clinics and bridges.
Repair dilapidated infrastructure and complement the efforts of local and national government to service and modernize communities. Well, we've so enjoyed sharing these with you that we have decided to do one more call to action episode.
And we would like to invite you to join us in the great adventure of determining the direction of our country.
We believe that no one can do for us what we can do for ourselves, and that Zimbabwe is not just the land beneath our feet, but our heritage.